Supporters from various political parties form in and around Shillong under the leadership of Bangkit Kupar Nongrum, former General Secretary of NCP Youth Wing Meghalaya, joined the BJP yesterday. BJP President Ernest Mauri and Sanbor Shulai felicitated them and welcomed them to the BJP family. Speaking at the occasion, Sanbor Shulai requested them to work hard for the party and urged them to motivate their friends and family to join them to work under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. President of BJP Meghalaya Ernest Mauri said the people of the state have accepted BJP and he hopes that in the days to come many supporters from other political parties will join and extend support to the party.
On behalf of the party, we express our sincere thanks to each and every one of you, all our brothers and sisters, our young friends who have come from the various parts of Shillong to join the party. So the President has announced also that later on, each one of you, your form will be filled up by the members of the party.
Kani ka dak kesin, abang-abang ipat pilihan di parti BJP. Lamba tanongin kebagayan kebangiom kebenikong kedai nam tateri kebaar kebadai nam parti pat balai parti lagi kedai kedai kebangian bahkan orang ini hadirin lebih berjasa saya ke BJP bin membuat syuk berminat BJP.
Slamming